Very warm and pleasant good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and studying well at home. Dear students, in today's tutorial, we are going to discuss about the griddles. The griddles are the bones or the bony structure to which limb bones are attached are called griddles. There are two griddles in our body. They are pectoral griddle, that is a shoulder griddle, and pelvic griddle, which is the hip griddle. So this is called the pectoral griddle, where the this arm bone is joined, and this is called the pelvic griddle, from where the this is also be called the hip bone, or where the leg is be joined. The forelimb or arm are attached to the pectoral griddle. From here, this is the collarbone, and here the arm bone is joined to this pectoral griddle. Each pectoral griddle consists of a shoulder blade or a collar bone. This is collarbone or shoulder blade. The same way, the hind limbs or the legs are attached to the pelvic griddle. The kidney and the urinary bladder are protected by the pelvic griddle. So this is the backbone, and these two are be the plate-like structure are called the pelvic griddle, and the hip bone is be joined. The leg is be joined with this griddle. Now we'll just have to start with joints. Most bones are connected to other bones. The place where the bones join together is called joint, or the place where two bones are jointed together, that particular part is called joint. And joints are jointed with each other by the strong band of tissue are called ligaments. This ligament hold the bones together at the joints. Ligaments are the strong, but they can let your bones move. So it is a elastic structure, or this elastic tissue which ables to make the bones move. Now there are two different types of joints in our body. One is the movable joints and another one is the immovable joint. Immovable means these joints simply connected bones and they do not allow the movement of the bones. Immovable means which do not allow movement of bones, and these are called skull and pelvis. Right? So these joints do not move, and these joints are called immovable joint, and especially these type of joints we can see in case of skull. Here we see this is a joint, this is a joint, right? So these joint cannot move at all. Fine, and these type of joints are called immovable joint. Now we'll discuss about movable joint. These joints allow free movement of bones. The joint found in arms, legs, hips, shoulder, knees are the example of movable joint. So most of the joint in our body, like in arms, like in our shoulder, all these are like our limbs, and even our fingers are having some joints. All these joints are movable. Even in the skull, this lower jaw is also a movable joint. So are all movable joints similar? No, all movable joints are not similar. They are showing different types of movements. So we'll discuss all this part in our next tutorial. Thank you and have a nice day.